Here is the number one thing no crypto trader wants for their trading journal, and that's a boring trading journal. So let's make it fancy with these 3 tricks. The first one is to make a table. So all we do is we select an area, you just click and drag, and come up here to the format. You're going to go to alternating colors, and then now you select the table that you like. Once you're done, click done. Number 2 is how to import a picture into one of these cells. All you have to do is click on one of the cells, come up here to insert, then go to image, and then go to insert image in cell. Now you have a couple different options. If you have a picture already on your hard drive, you can go ahead and do the upload, or you can even search Google Images. So just for fun, we went ahead and put Bitcoin ETF logo. Once you click on it, on the lower right-hand corner, it says insert. Go ahead and click on that. And then within a few moments, you have it right here. And number 3, we're going to change the color of the cell depending if the number or the value is above 0 or below 0, with having a green or red color. So what you want to do is click on a cell. We're going to go ahead and right click. The very last option we have is view more cell action. And now we're going to go to conditional formatting. We're going to do the drop down, and we're going to select greater than, and the value is going to be 0. And we're going to go ahead and hit done. And we're going to also add another rule, but this one, once we click on the drop down, we're going to put less than, and then same thing, 0. But this time we're going to change the color to red. We're going to put a red and then done. So anytime we put a number in here, let's just say 26 and hit enter, it turns green. If we put -56 and we hit enter, it turns red. So these were 3 ways on how to make your trading journal not boring. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.